What's happening today? What's happening outside today?
Blizzard.
A blizzard. You're right. The snow was covering our windows altogether a while ago. Finally, it's starting to fall off a little bit. But it is very windy and very snowy. Woo, woo! It's coming in. It's hard to really get a good idea from the video, but it is blowing around like crazy.
Yeah. And look at this right here.
Yeah.
We can't even go out there. It's blocked.
What?
It's blocked. If the whole door is
It's
blocked,
blocked.
we couldn't see outside.
And let's see. Front is just as bad, huh? Should we go see the front?
Yeah.
What happened? We couldn't go to school today?
But the weather changed on.
Honey, I'll turn it back on. We couldn't go to school. We couldn't do anything today.
And look at out here.
Front too.
This is more better than out back.
Yeah, it's still really windy.
This is still more better than back.
Oh!
This is way more better than back.
There it goes, blowing around.
Look how much is that? This many. We can't even walk in that.